What's up, everybody? This is Bronx Transhumanist Channel, aka Fitness for the Average Joe, aka 1 minute workout. And we're gonna start this real quick. And you know, I'm gonna start this with a useful tip. Tip number 1 for today, and it works like this. When you speak, you want to make sure you speak with clarity. Because when you speak with clarity, your voice resonates. And it works with like the vibrations, you know. Quick one, but that's, you know, a little joke, but it's true. So make sure when you speak in any conversation you're having, talking to your boss, talking to your family members, in general, make sure your voice resonates. Tip for the day. Alright, so what we're gonna do today, we're gonna do something to help people when they have shoulder injuries and they get little like nicks and bruises. So what we're gonna do is called W rolls. Okay, they call it W rolls because it is just like a W. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna do W rolls, and we're gonna do this isometrically. Okay, so when we do this, we're gonna be sliding our hands up and down, but we're gonna be fighting against our own body. Okay, so we're gonna be putting resistance, so like that you get a nice burn, and at the same time you burn a few extra calories. Okay, so what that's gonna do is gonna give you great posture. Like you notice, all my workouts have to do with posture because posture is very important, and we're gonna do this right now. So 1 minute workout, W rolls. Ready, guys? Let's go. Feet shoulder width apart, hands like a W, and we're gonna go up and down. Ready? 1. Fighting with yourself. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now squeeze it. 7. 8. If you look at my hands, they're shaking. 9. 10. 11. A little lower. 12. That's a bonus for the lats. 13. 14. Side view. Keep your back pinched. 15. 16. 17. 18. Ready? Bonus. Hold. Make sure you keep holding. It burns, but let it burn. It's a good thing. What you're doing right here is you're fighting gravity. And gravity pulling your arms down, but you're making sure your arms stay up, parallel to the floor, fighting gravity. And you're getting a massive burn, and your shoulders are going to be looking fantastic. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. As you can see, it's one of the best workouts you could do. Your trapezius muscle just get serious burn. You get a nice pump, and also you get health. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you soon.